Introducing the Y-VINBYEE Tire Inflator, a tech-savvy companion for every Tesla owner's toolkit. Effortlessly measure your Tesla's tire pressure with precision, thanks to the Y-VINBYEE's digital display. Watch as we demonstrate the ease of setting up your Y-VINBYEE for a quick tire change. Control is at your fingertips with the Y-VINBYEE's user-friendly remote, making tire maintenance a breeze. The Y-VINBYEE's versatile charging options ensure your inflator is always ready for any road trip. Not just for tires, the Y-VINBYEE also powers up your devices, keeping you connected on the go. Learn the proper way to detach the Y-VINBYEE, ensuring longevity and performance. With its cordless operation, the Y-VINBYEE offers unparalleled convenience, even when replacing its own battery. Reliability meets high-tech design, as the Y-VINBYEE integrates seamlessly with your Tesla's modern aesthetics. Safety is paramount, ensure your tires are always at the perfect pressure with the Y-VINBYEE's accurate readings. In conclusion, the Y-VINBYEE Tire Inflator is the efficient, reliable, and smart choice for every Tesla driver.